Nidamugeithia inyuothe muriega. How are you and how are you doing? This is I, Tisha Martin, and I'm here so that we can learn Kikuyu together. And today we are just doing some revision of some work that we have been doing. And I want just to repeat on the body parts. And thank you for all of you who are commenting, all those who have subscribed, all those that are sharing my content with other people. May God bless you. For you who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that next time you will get my content as soon as I upload it. Thank you even for the premium student. These are the students that support me by enrolling in my personal Kikuyu classes that are paid. Thank you for those who have been contacting me via WhatsApp, asking questions here and there. Yes, I do appreciate, and what I prefer most is for you to continue asking questions here on YouTube so that other people can also learn from you. So may God bless you. Let us do this for today. Ciega, cia mwĩrĩ. Ciega, kiga is a body part. Okay. Kiga just means body part or organ. They have the same meaning. So when we say ciega, kega is when we have one, ciega is in plural form, okay? Let's just go to the first part. You can see here we have kiogo, kiogo. Kiogo is head. Then we have hair is juere, juere, juere. Then we have ear, woto, woto. Then we have neck, gigo, gigo. Then we have eye, which is called rido, rido. The plural of eye is eyes, which is maido, maido, maido. Woto, mato, woto, mato. Then we have nose, nose is inyoro, inyoro. Nose is inyoro. Then we have kanua, kanua, kanua is mouth, okay? And we have other parts like the scene here. This is ikai, when two of them, this part, makai, then this part, kereru, kereru. Lips, meromo, meromo. Eyelashes, butu, butu. Okay, then this part, ye, the, ye, the. Then we have mostics, ama ndefu kwa Kiswahili. In Kikuyu is deru, deru, deru. Okay, so I think that is it for head. Let's just proceed to hard. So we have hard is woko. This is keara. When they are many, we have shiara, shiamoko. Okay, shiara, shiamoko. Then we have palm, palm. Palm is rohe, rohe. Then we have nails, doara. Okay, doara. When it is one, it is roara, roara. Good. Then we have elbow. Elbow is kegokora, 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 kegokora. Good. Then some other body parts that part of the body that we did was teeth. Teeth is magego. When it is one, it is igego. Okay. Then we have tongue, loreme. Okay. And then we have bone, mahede. Bone is ihede. Bones is mahede. Let's go to the next. The next part we have is leg. Okay, leg is called, in Kikuyu is called kogoro, kogoro. Then you have knee, Ni is iru, iru. And then we have thy is kero, kero, okay? Then we have here is itede, itede, itede. Then we have foot, this part directly below foot, that is ikinya. And then the toes are called ciara cia magũrũ, ciara cia magũrũ. Thank you. No tũthiĩte na mbere o wega. We go to the next one. Here we have this part, chest. Chest is gĩthũri, gĩthũri, gĩthũri. Then we have shoulder. Shoulder is kĩande, shoulders, ciande, ciande. Okay? Then we go to other parts. We have armpit. Armpit is jegeke, jegeke, jegeke. And then for women we have the mammary glands. Okay, the breasts. They are called nyodo, nyodo. Okay, nyodo. Then we have the navel down here. Navel is mokonyo, mokonyo, mokonyo. Then we have abdomen. Abdomen is called da, da, dayakwa. Okay? Yeah. So I think we are going on well. Okay? Let's check to other parts that are not maybe drawn. We have talked about kanua. Mwere is body, okay? Mwere is body. And we talked about this part, tuone momero. Back, back, back is mogogo, mogogo. Then, what else do you want to know? Tell me on the comment section. So I do appreciate your being with me. Thank you for following my content, and thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I am requesting you to continue subscribing, to continue sharing this content. And if you have any question, if you want to maybe learn on the free platform, kindly ask your question on YouTube. I do appreciate that, because that will help other learners to learn from you, as they will see your answers. For the other premium viewers, I will allow it. We can have a side chat for other things that you want to learn in the Kikuyu language. Okay, so I do appreciate your time, and I'm grateful. So may God bless you till we see in the next. Continue learning, kindly share, subscribe, and do whatever you want with this content. May God bless you. Bye bye.